Guys, so for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano makakuha ng free Maya card. So first of all, you need to download the app. Available po yan sa iOS and Android. Now, let's open our Maya account. Now, pag pumasok na po kayo sa inyong dashboard, let's go to our missions. Then search nyo po yung New to Maya Free Maya Card Promo May 2024. Tapos click Learn More. And ayan po yung magiging task. Now, bakit po siya free? Kasi po may cashback na darating sa inyo. So, to avail this promo, you need to complete the task. So, first, step 1, upgrade your Maya account. Kaya kung may Maya account na kayo, dapat po naka-ano siya, parang naka-verify. Then, step 2, open a Maya savings account. Then, third is deposit at least 250 in Maya savings from Maya wallet. Bali po, dapat yung pera is naka-deposit sa wallet nyo, sa Maya wallet. Then, ita-transfer nyo po sa Maya savings. Ngayon, after ma-confirm na ng system, pag na-check na po yung step 3, saka nyo po ilipat yung sa savings nyo, ilipat nyo po sa Maya wallet para gawin yung step 4. Yung step 4 is pay via QR including QRPH. 5 option po kasi sa step 4. Yun nga, yung isa sinabi ko, pay via QR. Second is pay online with your Maya number. Option 3, pay with your Maya card. Option 4, pay a bill in the app. And option 5 is buy airtime load. Bali po guys, isa lang naman yung gagawin nyo dyan. Pero, kailangan nyo po 250 in a single receipt. Hindi pwede yung tingi-tingi like 100 tapos 150. Hindi po yun counted. Dapat isang bayaran po, 250 na yung nagastos nyo para ma-checkan yung step 4 nyo. Now, let's go to the step 5. Order a Maya card. Dito na po yung baka ma-confuse yung iba. Kasi, pupunta po tayo sa Maya card, dito sa cards. Then, mag-get a new Maya card kayo. Yes po, magbabayad kayo ng 200 pesos plus 49 pesos sa shipping fee. Pero guys, babalik po yung 200 pesos na yon. Pero yung 49 pesos, hindi na kasi. That is your shipping fee. So, pag clinic nyo po yan ng Maya wallet cards, either Visa or Mastercard, may fill up lang kayo dyan ng mga information nyo. Then, proceed na kayo sa pag-order. Now, balik tayo dun sa mission. Ayan. Take note guys, this is promo runs from May 1 to 31, 2024. Pag hindi na po kayo nakabot doon, sorry. And, ito na nga po yung sinasabi ko. Spend at least 250 within the promo period. Single transaction will qualify. Kasi yung iba guys, may nabasa ko na nagtingi-tingi sila. So, hindi sila nakapasok doon sa promo. Ito pa yung second, they will get their 200 pesos spend back as cashback, which is nakuha ko naman guys. Ipapakita ko dito sa video na to. Then hintay lang po tayo that the 200 days spent to buy their card will be returned as cashback to their wallet on or before 14 days. Pero in my case, within the day lang naman pumasok na yung 200 pesos. At saka magwi-wait lang po tayo i-deliver yung Maya card natin. So, ito po yung patunay na meron pong cashback. Ayan, existing to Maya Free Maya Card Promo May 2024. So, may i-click po kayong sa voucher, then makiklaim nyo po yan. So, ayan guys, yung dumating sa akin na Maya card. Ayan, your first block card. And also guys, if you want to use my referral code, nandiyan lang po yan sa description. Ayan, thank you so much for watching!